In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hours to Freshbooks. Keeping track of your work hours is crucial for accurate billing and maintaining a clear record of your time spent on various projects. Freshbooks, a cloud-based accounting software, simplifies this process with its intuitive time tracking features. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to manually add time entries and use the start-stop timer within Freshbooks. Let's begin with manually adding a time entry. Start by navigating to the time tracking section in your Freshbooks dashboard. This is where you'll manage and view all your recorded hours, and it's organized in a user-friendly way. Once you're there, you can choose how you want to view your time entries. Depending on your preference, select the day, week, or month view. Each of these provides a different perspective, allowing you to gain insights into your time usage over different periods. Next, look for the option to add a new time entry. You'll see the New Entry button prominently displayed. Alternatively, you can hover over a specific day in the calendar where an option to +Add Time Entry will appear. Both options will open up a form where you'll fill out your time details. The form requires you to select a client or a project that you're working on, as this helps in categorizing the time entry for accurate billing and project management. If applicable, you can also choose a service associated with the task you're logging. Now let's get into the specifics of detailing your work time. You'll have the opportunity to either enter the time spent in hours and minutes directly or input the precise start and end times. This flexibility accommodates different ways of logging time, whether you prefer a total duration or a precise time frame. Additionally, there's a section for notes. This is particularly useful for adding context or specific details about the task, making it easier for you or your team to understand the work completed during that time slot. Once you've filled in all necessary information, it's time to save your entry. Simply click the checkmark or save button, and your time entry will be logged. Remember, accurately logging your time ensures better productivity tracking and precise billing. Besides manually adding time entries, Freshbooks also offers the convenience of a start-stop timer. This is perfect for tasks that require live tracking. To use this feature, simply click the Start Timer button when you begin the task. The timer will record your time in real time until you stop it, giving a precise account of durations, which is ideal for billing that needs meticulous tracking. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep track of your work hours within Freshbooks, ensuring that your time is documented thoroughly and accurately.